God has commanded us this day. He has given us a charge to obey. At all times be ready to impart the reason for the hope within your heart. So preach the word. Oh, how vital that all hear. Preach the word. As this system that draws near. Preach the word. Help the meek to understand. Preach the word throughout the land. Seasons of trouble we will face. Opposition may bring shame and disgrace. Though preaching may out of season seem, our trust is in our God who is supreme. So preach the word. Oh, how vital that all hear. Preach the word. As this systems and draws near. Preach the word.